Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bagel pizza. Let's dive right into creating a delicious and super easy meal. First, gather your simple ingredients: bagels, your favorite pizza sauce, some shredded mozzarella cheese, and any toppings you love. Next, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, carefully slice each bagel in half horizontally, preparing them for their cheesy transformation. Now for the fun part, assembly. Take each bagel half and spread 1 to 2 tablespoons of your favorite pizza sauce across its surface. Next, sprinkle about 1/4 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese generously over the sauce. Finally, add your desired toppings, whether it's classic pepperoni, fresh vegetables, or a combination of both. Get creative. It's time to bake. Carefully arrange your assembled bagel pizzas on a baking sheet. Place them into your preheated oven and bake for 8 to 12 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the cheese is beautifully bubbly and melted, and the bagel edges have turned a lovely, light golden brown. Keep a close eye on them for perfect crispness. Your delicious bagel pizzas are ready. Carefully remove them from the oven. It's important to let them cool for just 2 to 3 minutes before serving, as they will be very hot. This brief cooling period also helps the cheese set perfectly. For an extra touch, garnish with fresh basil or a sprinkle of red pepper flakes. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.